Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's tutorial I'm gonna show you what is clipping mask and what is alpha lock and what are the differences, and it might be pretty complicated, and also what is selection and why do we need that. So during our short tutorial I will show you the difference, so let's go! Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's short tutorial I'm gonna teach you what is clipping mask and how to use alpha lock and how to use selection tool, and we will see three main differences. What is it? So I already have our reindeer and it's already painted, and this reindeer is from my sticker set that I created especially for Christmas Eve, and you might see it here. And I'm gonna show you how to paint, how to use clipping mask first. So we need to create a layer that is above our reindeer, and after we need to press and select clipping mask. So now, and after that I go and grab dark purple color, and I will go and grab a brush from my set that I created recently, and now I'm gonna show you how to use clipping mask. So if you want to add some shades or paint, you might paint just on our reindeer. You can't go beyond the edges. You can't paint here, you can see it. You can start adding some shades here. And that's very convenient if you actually need to add some shades. It's really convenient because you know for sure that you won't go beyond the edges. So, but you also need to remember, if you deselect clipping mask, you see automatically you will have all those edges. So I suggest you to just keep this clipping mask in order if you want to keep those original edges that your reindeer has. So, and also if you want to paint something else, what else you can do, you just need, and if you want this layer to be in a clipping mask mode, of course you can go and press clipping mask, or you can just go and drag and move this layer in between of the first layer that is in clipping mask mode and our reindeer. And now we also can paint on reindeer. You see. Okay, I think now everything is clear with this layer. Now let's move to another part. So my next step is I go to our reindeer and I will press alpha lock. So actually it has same aim. It means that you can paint just on our reindeer. Yep, and you can go beyond the edges. But difference is that you paint on original layer of our reindeer. So if you want to change something, or if you want to delete what you just done, it would be actually pretty complicated. And also if you want to add some shades and after do whatever you like blend them, you will do everything with a layer of our reindeer, with a painting of our reindeer. So you see, this is a huge difference, because if you use clipping mask, you can do whatever you like. You can delete what you paint, but if you use alpha lock, you actually paint on a layer with our reindeer. So it would be pretty complicated to erase what you just paint. And the last part also, so we will just turn off our alpha lock. And when you turn off alpha lock, you see you still keep all those original edges. So my next step is you need to go to our reindeer again and press select. And now go to our brush. And you still can paint and do whatever you like. So it's kind of similar to alpha lock, but just another way how can you get it. So also you can paint on the layer with our reindeer here. And same, everything what you do here, you will have on the layer with reindeer. So you can't reverse that. Guys, I think this is clear now, and once again, if you want to go out from this mode, just press this button. and you will deselect your reindeer. So guys, I hope this is clear now, and now you can practice with alpha lock, with clipping mask, and with selection mode. And I wish you luck with your own artworks, and if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in next video. Bye bye!